So, karon si JMT sir kayo ako kayo ko ligo pa akong ilog. It's me and my date out here.
Single ba yan?
Single. Oh, single siya. Single and
Single, double, angkol, turtle.
you can subscribe to his channel on Tinder with this.
Turtle.
It's so mate, what are you gonna buy?
Some
I'll buy some teeth just to match them together. Asam ta mga angan ba? Nakasataw sa likod nimo.
This one works for a lot more rides. Right ticket per car, that's all you need.
Those are all food trucks. We're starving. We don't know what to eat. Yep.
I've never had both for me. I think the Heisenberg's better. Okay, would you like that around here?
I get a Heisenberg also.
Yeah, no worries. That's $12.
And another Heisenberg.
Here's your docket and just getting change. No, unfortunately not.
Is it get
$20. A little bit more?
Yeah. Thank you.
Change.
74. Thank you.
We're going to share with you guys the tickets. We're going to mix it up. So any song request today, we're going to take it.
That's what I say. Like, it's not pushing
What is 126?
Get him here. Sorry.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I'll film taking it.
Just 12 for that one.
Shit.
Cheers.
Asahi beer, mate. Tastes like beer. Yeah, it really tastes like beer. Yeah, it really tastes like beer. Dry. How's day?
Yawa sa kuha ang kuha na pilyaw. Yung bata na.
Ganahan na kagputing nga bata kay wala cute. Kung Pinoy nga bata, buligit makita na.
Akong lahi.
Na, di na ako maminaw. Ni-stop na. Pag naman ako lahi, ni-stop na.
Suraan.
Ala, ala, ala. Ha?
Oh, good lord.
Wa.
Sweet. Ito naman yung gear.
Basta?
Tara, ilabay na. Naka-wide rim na.
Oo.
Wide rim.
Ganun nito, nakabuligid beer ba?
Yeah, may cheese.
Ay, ano, nakabuligid beer?
Lutan. Taas.
So what are you having, mate?
Kani.
It's really cold. She's the secretary.
Nah, he's cool. He's like a mildly. Everyone's cool with that. Everyone does the same vibe.
Yeah, I am saying that.
Hello, how are you? Please smell. Thank you.
Sits. Sit down. Good boy. Just stay.
And tigers.
I remember the time.
Yeah, loving it. Awesome. Thanks, mate.
No worries.
Wrestling. Mexican wrestling, yeah.
Big Slappy McGinn!
You heard me, mate.
We're the two only cunts that know what's
We want Cena! Cena sucks! Bro, man! Where's our VB? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! You're no Stone Cold either, mate.
Dia Tagalan ni ingana lang. Sige ang gusto nga tawa na mo. Sikat ka din.
Bye.
Kita ang buwan.
Grabe. ไปแล้ว
Cheers, mate.
That way.
I'm here at the Velodrome right now. Food trucks all today. Yep. Having fun, all the food. There's some movie outdoor cinema at the back.
Tadi yang dia ngetir. Hah? Yang dia ngetir.
Just chilling on the street all day. Nakakara na nakita. Oh, nice.
Chill and chill.
Chill. There goes my beer. Hold all the way there. Beer just rolled right there. Fuck. Apparently my beer just rolled all the way there.
Sipping my chicken, I never broke off.
Fucking that's my beer.
I'm swimming with you, swimming with you. I cannot forget you, why you swim.
Drinks. Let's go ahead.
Gnocchi! Which is which, dude? Sing myself. And I'll give you a... Georgie. Ready? We'll do a cut. Ready? Ready?
Oh, very good.
Good. I hope it's good. It smells so good.
At the cinema. Hello, welcome to Triple J. Congratulations! Hello, hello. number one.
Oh my god, no. Definitely not.
And today,
This is kind of surreal right now, really. It's kind of crazy.
tell us what